The blizzard of 1993 pounded the entire east coast of the United States. It killed 112 people, from Cuba to Quebec. 20 died in New York State, including a Westvale man who fell from his roof. Governor Mario Cuomo declared a state of emergency across New York. I-81 and the Thruway were closed. The estimated cost to clear the roads was $128 million. The storm started on Saturday morning, March 13th. By 8 o'clock that night, Syracuse had 18 inches of snow. It fell all day Sunday. Syracuse got the most snow of any city, 42.4 inches in 3 days. That was more than the legendary blizzard of 1966. Hancock Airport closed and up to 200 people waited in line for their flights. Schools and colleges closed on Monday. The Red Cross canceled blood drives, churches canceled Sunday services, businesses were closed. Paramedics used snowmobiles and even toboggans to reach patients. Fire trucks smashed through drifts to extinguish a fire at Syracuse, China. When the storm wrapped up on Monday morning, Syracuse had broken 8 weather records.